Real estate agents, I know what you're going through right now. You don't know where your next commission check is going to come from because we are currently in a recession, and a lot of times even outside of the recession, it's very tough times. I know because I was a real estate agent for 4.5 years. You could check out my Zillow profile here, and it sucked a lot of times. Why? I had to do a lot of footwork, right? I had to make active income. I had to make sure that I got buyers constantly, sellers constantly. I had to make sure to drive around my buyers, do open houses, and all this footwork just to wonder where and when my next commission check is coming in. So instead I said, fuck this, and I moved into $1 trillion industry by selling physical products online. You know it, I know it, you shop online, I shop online, the world shops online. So if you're struggling right now, move into another industry. And the best industry to make a lot of money in the shortest amount of time is e-commerce, selling physical products online. So stop wasting time and go make that money online. Let's go, baby!